Lipi Marketing. In the year 1981, Mr. Matthew Verghese founded the Lipi Group of Companies. The Lipi Marketing Private Limited is an integral part of the Lipi Group of Companies. By means of innovation and technology, Lipi Marketing Private Limited has etched its name in the wall of success. It excels in providing the state-of-the-art technology, which is affordable to all in the Indian subcontinent. Maxicam. Maxicam is one of the largest manufacturers of CNC routers in the world. Maxicam designs and manufactures CNC routers that are suitable for a variety of industries. Maxi W1325. Maxi W1325 is a 3-axis CNC woodworking machine which reduces the workload of a carpenter who does 3D carving and is also used by signage makers who work on acrylic, ACP and non-ferrous materials. Maxi W1325 has a maximum working area of 1300 mm to 2500 mm, 200 mm in the X, Y and Z directions respectively. It has a working precision of 0.04 mm and repositioning accuracy of 0.05 mm. The T-slot extrusion PVC table holds the workpiece while the work is in progress. Maxi W1325 includes a tool sensor which detects the workpiece surface accurately. The transmission of the X and Y axis is achieved by rack and pinion, which minimizes the mechanical wear and tear of the machine. The German ball screws that minimize the backlash and increase accuracy facilitates the transmission of Z-axis. Maxi W1325 can travel at a maximum speed of 32,000 mm per minute with a maximum working speed of 15,000 mm per minute. The spindle is the only feature which runs throughout the operation at a higher RPM. The high-speed Italian HSD spindle in Maxi W1325 offers a power ranging from 3 kW to 6 kW with a maximum working speed of 18,000 RPM. The movement of the X, Y and Z axis is controlled by the Yako stepper drive and motors. The Maxi W1325 accepts G-code input from software and converts it into product. This machine can make products out of acrylic, wood and ACP. Maxi C1530 SETV is a 3-axis CNC woodworking machinery with an auto tool changer option, which enables the operator to change the tools depending upon the operation automatically. It has a vacuum table which holds the workpiece instantly. It can be effectively used by skin door manufacturers. This machine can work on doors and non-ferrous materials like aluminium and copper. This machine can produce ornate doors. It can also be used to make various finished products. Maxi C1530 SETV is a cost-effective CNC router with a simple auto tool changer combination. It comes with Syntec control system that allows auto-complete multi-level 3D processing. It deals with smooth 3-dimensional processing, engraving and cutting, and it can be realized in offline operation. It has a hole welding structure with tempering and aging treatment and is strong enough. It has a movable gantry with a fixed working table, free to work on the material on the table. Maxi C1530 SETV has a maximum working area of 1500 mm, 3000 mm, 200 mm in the X, Y, Z directions respectively. Auto tool changer enables to change the various tools depending upon the operation automatically. It has German vacuum pump of 5.5 kilowatt power with discharge capacity of 160 meter cube per hour. It has a vacuum table in zones with strong absorbability to hold the workpiece while work is in progress. The transmission of the X and Y axis is achieved by high wind rack and pinion, which minimizes the mechanical wear and tear of the machine. And the transmission of the Z axis is attained using the German ball screws, which minimizes the backlash and increases the accuracy. Maxi C1530 SE TV can travel at a maximum speed of 32,000 mm per minute with a maximum working speed of 15,000 mm per minute. The spindle is the main feature which runs throughout the operation at a higher RPM. The high-speed Italian HSD spindle with a power of 9 kW with a maximum working speed of 24,000 RPM is an essential aspect of Maxi C1530 SE TV. The movement of the X, Y and Z axis is controlled by the Panasonic servo drive and motors. That Lipi has been a successful group of companies in the market. Lipi has maintained a standard that meets the requirements of the market and our customers. We have been offering quality services and our products have been living up to our customers' expectations.